Talkers, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Monday, November 16th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges of the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton we will have sunny skies and there is no chance of rain. It will be a high of 70 and a low of 45.
This past Saturday marked the start of Diwali, a 5-day festival of lights celebrated by the Hindus, Sikhs, Newar Buddhists, and Jains. Diwali began on Indian subcontinent, and while it has different meanings in each religion, all celebrate the victory of light over darkness. To celebrate, people light up their homes with candles and lanterns, light fireworks and have feasts. Happy Diwali to all of our friends who celebrate it.
November is Native American Heritage Month, and today we will be honoring Standing Bear. Standing Bear was born on 1829 to a Ponca tribe in Nebraska. He was a tribal chief, and in 1779 sued the government on behalf of the Ponca people for control of their land were guaranteed rights under the 14th Amendment. After winning his case, Standing Bear toured the eastern U.S. to speak about Native American rights.
Don't forget to check out the online book fair. It runs now through November 18th.
The PTA Holiday Shop is coming soon. The holiday shop will be held online from November 16th to November 20th. This is a great opportunity to buy gifts for friends and family for the comfort of your home. All items will be delivered to your home before Christmas.
This week is College and Career Week. College graduates earn on an average about $20,000 more a year than people who don't go to school after high school. That means going to college could earn you almost $1 million more in your life than if you don't go.
For College and Career Week, the spirit days are today. College suits me to a T. Wear a college t-shirt or a jersey. Tomorrow's future is bright. Wear bright or neon colors and shades.
Today is National Fast Food Day.
Today in history, in 1776, British troops captured Fort Washington during the American Revolution.
In the headlines, man opens up his home to shelter 300 dogs from a hurricane. Ricardo Pinto can be called a modern-day Noah, but without an ark, as deadly hurricane Dita came into Mexico. He decided to herd more than 300 shelter dogs and dozens of other animals to safety from the storm. All of the animals were in his house overnight, and through all, everyone survived the hurricanes with limited damage.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Ricky, what do you call a bear with no teeth?
I don't know.
A gummy bear.
Today's fun fact is, An eagle can hunt down a young deer and fly away with it.
That's all for today. Let's say
Say
our motto together. Doing your best is a key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Nevada.
I'm Ricky.
That's Larry.
That's Fiona.
Until next time,
Fly
fly high, Falcons.
Falcons.